Hey folks, another warm one across the valley today. Temperatures back over 100 in the west, upper 90s in the east and along the coast. 90 in Port Isabel, the island, touching 90 this afternoon as well. These are the current readings. Brownsville's 91 right now. Tonight we're going to bottom out in the upper 70s. Again, no real surprise there. Maybe a degree or two above average for this time of year for your lows, and then your highs tomorrow are right back up to about 100 or more along I-69C westward. And I-69C to I-69E, pretty close to that. Then closer to the coast, about 90 or so at the island in Port Isabel. Average high for this time of year is 97. We're going to go 98, 99, 99 the next 3 days. So we're about normal, maybe just a little bit above. The records shouldn't be threatened at all, I don't think. Take a look at satellite. It's been pretty quiet across the region today. Patchy clouds, not much more than that. We thought we might see an isolated shower on the sea breeze. Didn't happen. Not enough moisture to work with, so it stayed dry across the area pretty much all day. And all night it's going to stay dry as well. Now, Future Track still tries to hit at the sea breeze right here, trying to activate tomorrow, but it just doesn't have enough oomph to go. And so if there is anything, it'll be very, very isolated. It should be a dry day for the most part. Thursday, same kind of thing. You just look right here, you see a thin line of clouds trying to move westward, but failing to do so, so you end up with another dry day. Friday now, the models are hinting at a little more moisture around the area during the afternoon, not so much by noon, but during the afternoon, and that would indicate maybe a stray sea breeze shower then, so we're going mainly dry on Friday, but even that, you're looking at 5% or so of the area maybe picking up a shower. Big picture, Texas pretty quiet in the southern part of the state today. See some showers offshore, but for the most part they stay there. Some rain in the watershed and more rain up in North Texas from Dallas northward up into Oklahoma. The upper air low, the system that's been causing all the rain in Texas the last couple of days, is lifting out. It's going to actually dive back to the southeast, but stay away from us. Big high builds in, and once that happens, you get locked into that hot, humid weather pattern that doesn't really want to break. But by the time we get to Friday, even though the high is here, the southern edge of it kind of breaks down a little bit, and there could be enough moisture come in for a stray sea breeze shower Friday and into the weekend. But even at that, we're still looking at about a 10% probability. Most areas are dry for the foreseeable future. In the tropics, we have one system we're watching out here in the North Atlantic. It's got a 40% chance of developing, but it is moving now off to the northeast, so that shouldn't be a threat, at least not to anybody in the U.S. or the Caribbean. Maybe up in the North Atlantic, they'll keep an eye out for that. At the coast, here's what's going on. Winds are out of the southeast 10 to 20. The bay a little bit choppy. UV is extreme. The bay temperature is 82. The surface 79. Low tide just after midnight, then a high, and then a low after noon. Seas 2 to 4 feet. Small craft operators urged to use caution. So for tonight, a low 79. Partly cloudy, warm and muggy. Southeast winds. Then tomorrow, back up to 98. Plenty of sunshine. Southeast winds 15 to 25. Here you go. Next 7 days, 98, couple of 99s, then we're up to 100 or so all the way through the forecast period. Your chance of rain, minimal. You can't rule something out. There's enough moisture out there that something could pop, but a vast majority of the area through the next 7 days should stay rain-free. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.